Affordable vacuum cleaner with strong suction power. 2026 US Guide. Tineco's top picks. Finding an affordable vacuum with strong suction can be overwhelming, especially for homes and offices dealing with pet hair, spills, and daily messes. Tineco has become a top choice in the US by combining affordability with premium performance. Its standout models, including the Floor 1 S9 Artist Steam, S7 Stretch Steam, A90S, and Station 5 Pro, offer powerful cleaning, smart features, and strong value while competing directly with Dyson V15 and Dreame H15. The Floor 1 S9 Artist Steam delivers vacuuming, mopping, and steam cleaning with smart sensors for deep cleaning and hardwood protection. Meanwhile, the lightweight Floor 1 S7 Stretch Steam is designed for apartments and tight spaces, offering flexible wet-dry cleaning performance. The A90S stands out for portability, pet hair removal, and a 105-minute battery life, while the Station 5 Pro adds automatic cleaning, drying, charging, and app integration for busy users managing larger homes or offices. The comparison highlights Tineco's longer battery life, anti-tangle brushes, hardwood floor safety, and 2-year US warranty support. Dyson's V15 lacks wet cleaning and steam functions, while Dreame's H15 is criticized for shorter lifespan and weaker durability. Customers across Texas, Illinois, New York, Arizona, and Washington praise Tineco's pet hair performance, convenience, steam sanitization, and overall value. The report concludes that Tineco delivers premium cleaning features, dependable support, and competitive pricing for modern American households and offices.
Go to GearBrain for more information.